Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, power sunroof, air conditioning, bed liner, dual zone climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.